Hello, my name is John Memmelaar. I'm president of Royal Master Grinders, Oakland, New Jersey. We are here the second day of MD&M 2026, and I wanted to take out a quick tour of some of the highlights of our technology that we have at our booth. What you're looking at right now is you're looking at our hard drill system over here, and this is a really cool project that we did, and it's the HDS, and is the surface grinder that has a turntable. The turntable has 16,000 counts, so it's highly accurate. And the FANUC robot is loading and unloading the pallets into the heart drill or surface grinder system. Going to take you on a walk over by the needle grinder. And this has been a really cool project for a lot of years now. And we've updated it with a bunch of different modules, so you can see that the EP fixture is getting evacuated from the EP fixture rack and bringing over to be outside the safe zone, so it can be collected. And then we started the grind over here. And right now we're doing a very simple lancet, 14 at a time, for about a 4.5 second per fart cycle. It's a fully autonomous system. So you can see the robot is going to collect the farts from the feeder, load the platen, and then once the platen is loaded, we have a crimper that can crimp certain parts. We have an unloader over here that will unload the parts from the fixture, populate the EP fixtures, and continue the cycle. The EP fixtures can be used to transfer to a grip blaster or other post processes also. Let's continue on our little tour. We have some new technology last year, which is the cutting machine. And this has been a great project for us. And it's the perfect addition to the cutting machine, or to the needle grinder, excuse me. And so it's a dual head linear motor setup. So the parts are getting cut by two heads at the same time. So each head has a fixture that holds 21 parts. And so we're actually cutting 42 parts at a time. The 9 nanometer linear motor is highly accurate. So we're holding plus or minus 5/10 on our lengths with this system. We can cut down to 100 thou thick and up to an infinite length. So let's continue on the tour. We have our Gen Z, which after selling 375 Gen X's, we decided to make a Gen Z machine. And we did not go to Y because all the Gen Z programmers that we have here at Royal Master wanted it named after them. So here we go. And we are using a super abrasive grinding wheel. And we're grinding a simple 3 taper wire with a 4th axis feature, which will take sometimes an 8-minute pushing or OD mode grinder wire down to a 90-second grind. So we have a primary grinding wheel, a secondary grinding wheel, but you're going to see shortly the wire got unloaded, and then we have a UR robot going to pick the wire. It's going to put it in some alcohol to just clean it, and then it's going to put it in our Keon's gauge. And so it'll gauge the wire, and then you can see the gauge and the output of the gauge up here. And it's just a really slick, easy system. And we don't necessarily have to gauge. We can have a post process here, some deburring or rounding of the back ends of wires, pretty much infinite. So now we'll take you over to our gauge.
The final now. Sorry.
And this is our gauge that we've had for many, many years, but we've updated the linear motor. So we have a 9 nanometer linear motor. We also have a Keyence optical micrometer here. And the accuracy and the number of data points that we're getting is absolutely insane. And the whole key is the 9 nanometer linear motor. We abandoned the 0.1 micron because that's old news. And with the Keyence head, we just get a whole lot of data points over the course of a wire. I'm going to take it to our old tried and true TG12x4. Royal Master would not be Royal Master without our TG12x4 machine. And we're just screw feed grinding some simple stainless steel tubing. We've been making these machines for 75 years. And a centerless grinder is a centerless grinder. So we do a lot of stainless steel grinding on up to 10-foot lengths. And not only stainless tubing, but all kinds of other applications for centerless.
Well done.
So that's the quick tour of our booth. And I'm really excited you could join us on this. If you have any questions, reach out to myself or Nate or Bob or Rich, Ryan, Brandon. Everybody's here and happy to talk grinders. Thank you.